Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly forex forecast. Guys, I really hope all of you are doing well and you were able to make money last week. Market was moving as expected for almost all the pairs. I'll show you this one anyway shortly, the recap, the before and after. But before we start, all of you who are new to We Trade Waves, this is our YouTube channel, guys. Here, as you can see, it's We Trade Waves, and this is actually where we share our YouTube forex forecast on a weekly basis every Saturday. So if you are new, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip or move, and keep watching till the end. So as usual, we'll start with DXY. This is DXY, dollar index, and we are using TradingView as a charting platform, and this is the daily chart here. Now, why I'm showing the daily chart, because I'll go back to this one shortly. Just remember this here and remember this, okay? I'm always actually emphasizing on this one in the last few weeks or even the last few months as well, because you know that we are expecting dollar to fall. So anyway, I'll explain this shortly, but let's go to the 4 hours, explain what we said last week and what the market will be doing next, all right? So for this one, last week we said we're expecting market to fall, give us a pullback or corrective structure, and then one will push up. This actually was perfect. It was a crazy forecast, and again, some of our members made a lot of money trading this upwave anyway. So this was the forecast regarding DXY. Alan, any proof for that, especially for those who are new to We Trade Waves? Of course. If I go back to this video here, which is our last forex forecast last week, this actually 6 days ago, as you can see here. And thank you very much, guys, for all of you are liking, commenting, and sharing on a weekly basis. By the way, I'm reading all the comments. So for this one, Bitcoin prediction, it was perfect. So this was DXY last week. As you can see, we set corrective structure, pullback, and then one push up before the drop. If we go back to the charts, look at this one here. So this was the before and this the after. Market gave us this drop. It was perfect pullback, trend continuation pattern, trend continuation strategy as well, and then all the way up to break this top. All right, so for now, this was perfect. All right, Alan, what's next? I'll be going back to the daily chart here just to show you guys again and again. This was actually 2016 elections. And as you can see here, market went to the upside, corrective structure up, and then from January, market started to fall. I'm repeating this because a lot of you guys are new to We Trade Waves. So whenever you see me actually repeating something, this is for those who are new to us, because our videos actually is getting showing to more traders, because a lot of you are liking and commenting and sharing. More traders are looking into our videos. So for this one, after US elections in 2016, we have seen actually a drop here. I'm repeating, despite Fed was rising interest rates. So this was actually after Trump gets elected here. And most of you know that Trump will be actually will be in the office on 20th of January, which is just this the last week before Trump gets in the office. So everything here is moving as expected, step by step. The timeline actually is respected. The timing, the structures, everything, guys, is aligning as perfect as actually as possible. If I want to actually give it a explanation, this like a puzzle. Market actually is building the structure. The structure is in the making for the next big move. Now, some of you might be saying, Alan, you are crazy. Like Trump will be getting the office. He will be actually supporting the dollar and whatever you think. Remember, you might be right. But we see things differently. And what I'm trying to say is you are expecting dollar to fall as soon as he gets in the office anyway. So again, you might call me crazy, but let's see. Let's wait and see. We don't have any crystal ball anyway. It's just like our way of reading the charts, our way of reading the waves. It's We Trade Waves, wave analysis concept. That's why everything is aligning as we want or however we want. But remember, I'm not actually pushing you to trade blindly or over-risk, overtrade, or even take this as signals. What we're trying to do, are just giving you the bias here based on our We Trade Waves wave analysis concept, unique wave analysis concept. Why it's unique, I'll show you this one anyway shortly. But again, market went as expected. You know our high accuracy in the market. We are here every single week. So for that, this is the structure that we can see, guys, for the dollar. This up wave, this corrective structure here, this drop, this was a complete regular flat. And here we have a regular flat in the middle and another regular flat in the middle. And the power of wave analysis, of We Trade Waves wave analysis concept, is actually the fractal nature of the market. Some of you may be saying, Alan, what actually does it mean? Fractal nature of the market. Fractal nature of the market, guys, means like market moves waves within waves within waves. As example, look at this one. Here we have a regular flat inside a bigger one here, as you can see, and this inside the bigger one. And then again, for this up wave, we've got this up wave. So for this drop, just to give you again more hints and more tips, hey guys, Please do not take this blindly and just start selling because Alan is saying this will be falling. We have our strategies, we have our group, we have our program where we teach you how to trade correctly and how to maximize profits when market will be going in your direction and how to minimize losses when market will go the otherwise. Okay, so for this one, again, this wave is about to finish. All right, so anytime market can start to fall. You get me? So any sell setup we get, we will go for it. Now this sell setup, it can take us actually all the way down to break this low and this low on the long term if market will do what we are expecting to do. And this, by the way, will be explained in my monthly session. It will be conducted next week. And this for WW Pro members. Do not miss it, guys, because it will be important. So for this one, again, this wave is about to finish, or we are just in the last push of it. Okay. So for this one, anytime market can start to fall. Am I clear on that? After that, if we get a corrective structure push up, anytime market will break this top, just it might be some sort of manipulation. It might be actually just to complete minor structures, minor trends. It doesn't matter. This up wave, it will be just short-term move, the last wave before the next drop. Now, the next drop, I don't want to actually be covering actually all, because all what we want for now is just the first move. This move, it will be more than enough for us to make a lot of money, regardless if this will be a corrective structure for another push up, or this will be a total fall to break this low and this low. You got me? In all the cases, we see that the dollar will be falling after a probable one push up here before the next drop. This is all what you want to know anyway, and you want to hear. The bigger explanation, I would say in-depth explanation about the bigger structure for this one and for the other stocks, investment as well, and some stocks that we are keeping an eye on, because remember, the stock market will move as well very soon. All right, so some structures are ready. I'll cover this one, like I said, in my monthly session for WW Pro members next week. Okay, so for this one, I hope this is clear. You know what is covered here, and you know actually how the XY will be moving. This what we are expecting. Anytime market can start to fall, the bias is towards the downside. Make sense? So euro dollar, those of you guys who want to know about our program, keep watching. I'll explain this during the video. Euro dollar for this one is the same thing. Market actually went to the upside. I go to the 4 hours. We've got this up wave exactly as expected, this up wave, and then this drop. All right. Again, I'll show you the before. I'll go back to the last week's forecast. I'm just showing this, guys, for proof. All right. So this is 6 days ago, and this is the euro dollar up, and then after that a drop, and then after this drop, we'll expect market to push the upside. So 2 waves, up and drop. This is what the market have done here, as you can see, up and then a drop. Make sense? So euro dollar, anytime again market can start to push to the upside. I'm expecting another drop, by the way, just a bit more to the upside before the next up wave. This might take probably the next week for market to keep dropping until Trump is in the office. Okay, so for this one, again, remember, guys, do not actually come next week if market will push the upside and say, see, market didn't went to the downside. Market is ready, structure is ready to go to the upside. Anytime we get a buy setup, we'll go for it. I hope this clear, guys. And again, please do not take this as a signal and go blindly start buying euro dollar, because I'm repeating, we have our unique wave analysis concept. We have our own program, our own solution for serious traders if you want to succeed and learn how to trade correctly. So again, to give you this one more time, we are expecting corrective structure, one more fall before the next up wave. This is the move, this is the wave that we are looking for, or we are focusing on. Is the up wave, is the buy setup. Exactly, guys. By the way, if you are liking actually the forecasts, give us thumbs up and leave a comment. I'll try myself, actually, I'll try my best to read every single comment and even reply to it if you have any question to me. Okay? Pound dollar for this one is the same thing. Market is inside the buy zone. Most of you remember we said market will be getting inside the buy zone, which is this one. Okay, so we are in now. Anytime market will give us a buy setup again, we'll be going for it. And this buy setup, it can start anytime. If we get corrective structure drop, it doesn't matter. Up is the move, and this up wave again is the move that we'll be focusing on. Anytime market give us a buy setup, we'll go for it. Those of you guys who trade pound dollar, remember pound usually make expansions, and expansions for us are regular flats. Are running flats or expanding flats. This might be a running flat structure, and market can push all the way up to break this top once more. This is one possibility. The second possibility I'll cover inside my monthly session next week for WW Pro members. By the way, if you go to our website, just to show you this one quickly, this is WeTradeWaves website, guys. All right. So all our official links are in the description under this video. So if you go to this one, by the way, you can get access to our Discord community from day one once you join WW Pro. If you go to this one, just to show you, because we have updated this one last week, this actually will be all what you will get once you join. You can read it one by one if you'd like. And if you have any questions, you can scroll down to our FAQ section. But what I want to say actually, we have added all these payment methods here. You can see it and you can get actually once you join or in the FAQ section, or even you can send us an email at info@weighted_waves.com. All right. So that's actually regarding the program, regarding Weighted Waves. You know the website where it is. You can check it by yourself. For pound dollar, I hope this is clear and you get actually what we're expecting next. Okay. So market is in the buy zone. Gold for this one, market actually went to the downside first, just to cover this one again. One more time. Last week, if I go back here, remember we were biased to the downside. All right. So that was actually gold. We were biased to the downside. And we said market can fall to under this low, or it can give us the second scenario, corrective structure, and then up again. Market decided to go for this scenario. Okay. So for this one, market was at 2.639 last week. And 2.639, just to show you again the detail for the structure. So some of you don't feel actually that market didn't went as expected. Anyway, this was actually 2.639. Okay, so what happened here? Market went to the downside. Look at the step-by-step process, guys. Okay, went to the downside. We've got this up wave and we've got this drop. For us, for weighted waivers, this is the perfect time where you should go for the buy if you are a trend follower. Okay, why is that? Because this is a complete structure. Again, I will not explain more regarding the market makers framework or the liquidity, because this I keep it for WW Pro members. Okay, so for this one, again, market went up, it took liquidity here. Again, I'll not go into the details. After that, one more drop to take everybody out, and then after this was a complete structure, trend continuation pattern, and then all the way up. Those of you guys who actually were in the sell, you must have made money, or the worst case scenario, it should be break even for you. Okay, now those of you went for the buy, it was perfect buy, and market went all the way up to 2680, which is this one. And this 2680 was covered by T during the live sessions that he conducted, and even the update sessions on every Wednesday. So 2680, it was actually a level where those who were in the buy, they should take profits. Okay. So anyway, gold market decided to go to the upside. Again, if you took the sell, you must have made some profits or break even, the worst case scenario. If not, you get in a loss. You have to learn how to trade correctly, or at least do not actually follow anyone blindly, guys. Make sure to learn how to trade correctly. Invest in yourself before you risk your money. Okay. So for this one, again, we've got this up wave, corrective structure, up, pull back, and then up again. What's next? This one, if dollar will push to the upside and then start to fall, most probably we'll get a corrective structure here for another push up. And this will turns out to be an expanding flat like that for market to keep pushing to the upside. And this will turns out to be a liquidity grab under these ones for a trend continuation pattern to the upside. All right. So for this one, I hope this is clear. If we get, again, what's next for gold? If we get a corrective structure, another push up will be coming. So first thing first, the next first step, the next first move, if you are a scalper, you should go for the sell setups. And once you go into the sell, you manage your trades, you protect your setups, you take partial profits, you leave the rest at break even, all of this. And then after that, if we get a buy setup here, we'll go for the buy. Okay, that's for gold after the up wave. And if something happened, guys, after this trap, if we get a corrective structure, another trap will be coming. For now, again, short term scalping trade is toward the downside. All right. If this turns out to be a corrective structure after this drop, you go for the buy setups. Is that okay, guys? If that's clear, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, again, let me know in the comment section. For this one, I hope this is clear. By the way, regarding the price action, regarding the price alerts, just to show you what we have added into our Discord community. Again, last week you have added, guys, three things. First of all is the refer a friend channel. We have added it to our Discord. Second of all, the coach's thoughts. And the third channel that we have added is the price alerts. Why this is important? I'll show you this one, by the way. So price alerts, whenever actually gold will hit any level, any key level that we think you should look at the charts and take action, we'll put it here. So on every Sunday, on every actually Wednesday session, even during the week, me and T will put the alerts for you. So anytime market will hit the alert, you can actually look into the charts and check what's happening here. As example, our members, they know exactly what to do at this level, because if they are in the buy, or if they were in the buy for gold, they should take profits here, or at least take partial profits. Again, for pound dollar, market entered actually the buy zone, so you know that here you need to take action. This is one of the features, this regarding the stocks as well. By the way, guys, do not miss the monthly session, because like I said, the stock market will move, and we have a lot of structures already. So if you are into the stocks, if you are into the investment part, make sure to join the monthly session. It will be next week. I'll share anyway the timing and the detail regarding this one inside probably the Discord community, and I'll let actually Joe post it inside on our social media platforms, so you will know it. But again, if you're interested actually in trading stocks as well, do not miss it. By the way, again, just quick explanation. Inside our weekly live session, we cover Forex, stocks, and crypto as well, even in the midweek update. Anyway, everything is inside the website if you want to know more about our program. So for this one, I hope gold is clear for you guys. Keep watching, because I have some structures that I want to show you more in the next chart. Aussie dollar for this one, it's like all the other majors. This will be ready to push up very soon. Do not miss this wave, guys, because it will be very important. And the next impulse here, you can make a lot of money trading the next impulse. If you remember, we said market will break this low. Okay, so we've got this trap, market broke this low, and then now this structure is ready to push to the upside. Even if we get one more fall, this wave will be going to the upside. Just to give you again another update and another hint, we are expecting a move. Just let's keep this one, guys. Take a screenshot. We can go back to Aussie dollar maybe in the next few months. Market will give us a move similar to this one. This is what we are expecting. This magnitude. Okay, so which is a big impulse to the upside. This is what we are looking for. All right. So again, this is one of the moves that we are just trying to explain you to not miss it. Even for New Zealand dollar, it's the same thing. We might get corrective structure drop anytime this is ready to push to the upside. Let's put it in this way. Okay. Dollar yen for this one, this was our trade of the week. If I go to the 4 hours, corrective structure, up wave. So this was one of our trades of the week again. If I go to the dashboard, I think I can show it to you. Trade setups, trade of the weeks, week, month, and year. Look at this one. This was dollar yen. Okay. So corrective structure up. We were expecting market to break this one, because this was a clear corrective structure to us. So if you traded this up wave, you must have made money. Look at this one, just to show you again the details of this structure. Look at this. This was the structure here. Look at that. Corrective structure. We've got this up wave, correction, up, correction, and then up again. Market actually went to the upside and broke this top, as you can see. Now, I'll be going back to the 4 hours here. What's next? We can get a corrective structure, another push up again for dollar yen. Okay, so dollar yen, I'm still expecting market to push to the upside. If we get a corrective structure, another push up will be coming. Dollar Swiss for this one, market went to the upside. Again, corrective structure, and then on push up. After this up wave, we'll update you. This move, this wave to the upside, it will give us a corrective structure. But first of all, this is an uptrend, and we are expecting this trend to actually continue to the upside after a pullback or after a corrective structure. Dollar CAD for this one, market is giving us a corrective structure, and as you can see, it's pretty similar to dollar yen. So what's next here? Corrective structure, another push up will be coming for dollar CAD. After this up wave, we'll update you. This is a corrective structure for another push up. US oil, this was crazy. Again, guys, that's why you have to learn how to trade correctly, and do not go anywhere. Do your research, do your due diligence before joining anyone. All right. So again, look at this. I'll show you this one here, the before and after. So this was gold, and this was US oil. And I hope like you can hear the voice. I just tried to play this one just to show you what we said last week. This is 6 days ago, and how market actually behaved. All right, look at this one. US oil is a corrective structure similar to this one first, before any next structure. Corrective structure here, and then one will push up before the next wave. So guys, this is what we said last week. Why do you think we know all of this? Because of experience, and because we know how to read the charts correctly, and because we trade wave analysis concept is, I would say, one of the best methodologies that you can ever learn. And once you learn it, we have actually a quote inside We Trade Waves. Once you see it, you cannot unsee it. And that's the power of actually learning wave analysis concept. I'll be going to the 1 hour, and look at this one. We've got this up wave here, we've got this corrective structure, and last week we were here, and we said market give us a corrective structure similar to this one, and then one push up. And this corrective structure, imagine you know this corrective structure, when it will start, how it will look, and when you go for the buy setup and making ton of money. Guys, this is one of the most powerful patterns that we teach to our members, right? It's expanding flat. And the expanding flat will get completed under this low. And imagine you are into this trade to the upside from here all the way up, and our members are not put the strategy. Our members, they know they can make here more than 10 to 1 in this move alone. So while you're actually struggling to look for signals, to look for free signals inside the Telegram groups, inside the Facebook groups, try to just gamble and save that little much of money to not invest in yourself and learn, you are wasting time, you are wasting money, and you are just jumping from channel to channel, from methodology to methodology, just to find the holy grail. As a Forex trader, you have to know that you have to master yourself. You cannot master the markets. Yes, you can have accuracy like us. More than 70 to 80% of the times we are right. Yes, you can have a perfect, great system, great trading system that we have, and we are able to teach you. And you can join a like-minded trading community. Do not suffer. As a trader, trading is actually lonely business. You need a supportive community, and you have the best trading community in the world. All right. Once you join, look at this one. Again, some of you might be saying like, I'm actually pitching for this one. I'm overselling, but what we really want is actually help you become independent, successful trader if you are a serious trader. If you are not, you can just skip what I will be showing here or I'll be saying. All right. So for this one, inside our training community, we have daily live sessions. All right. So these sessions are conducted by our seniors, and even on Saturdays, I have the weekly sessions, and even Rudra will be doing actually most probably on every Saturday live session afternoon. So on Mondays, we have 2 sessions. On Tuesdays, we have 2 sessions. On Wednesdays, we have a T recorded session, and we will add here one more session for Rob on Wednesday at 6 p.m. UK time. On Thursdays, we have 2 sessions. On Friday, we'll have 1 session because actually Friday 7 p.m. we'll shift it to Thursday. Anyway, for this one, you will get the updates inside the group for WWP members. But what I'm trying to say, for those of you who are watching actually on YouTube or on social media platforms, we have daily sessions with the seniors, and even with moderators, and even with us. You should not miss this one if you want to become independent, successful trader, which is our vision and our mission. If you go to the website, you scroll down, it's from day one anyway. This is our mission, is to empower you to become a successful, independent trader. If you don't want that, you just skip and keep doing what you are doing. All right. If you are happy, if you are making money, keep doing what you are doing and skip that part. It's not for you. Bitcoin, by the way, what's next for USOIL? For this one, we can get a corrective structure again, a bit bigger than this one, and then another push up. This is what I can see for now. Bitcoin for this one, it was crazy again. Very good, I would say, accuracy, and in terms of levels, market hit this level. By the way, those of you who are watching who are following these sessions, you'll be able to know that this was the level we are waiting for reaction, and market went from here to here, perfect, and after that, we've got this drop. Crazy accuracy as usual for gold, for Bitcoin, for almost all the pairs. If till now you do not believe that weighted waves reference concept is the analysis, is the methodology that you want to learn, then something is wrong. So for this one, market went to the upside, market took liquidity above these highs here, just to explain you, and now we are going into this fall. One more drop to take liquidity under this one, this one, this one, this, and this as well, before market go to the upside again. So crypto market will push to the upside with a high probability chance. If I go to the daily, market is just giving us a bigger corrective structure here. One more drop similar to this one, just to show you. So those of you, they don't be scared from this drop. Of course, small traders and people who don't know how to trade, who don't know wave ounces, they'll be just selling their coins here thinking that, oh, Bitcoin is falling like this. It can do that, but this is a low chance. Even if market will do this, if you know how to trade correctly, you will not be actually be scared from this one. Because remember, trading, investing are 2 different things. That's why the monthly session that I conduct, it should be very important for those who are interested in investing and, of course, in trading the stocks. So for this one, one more drop to break this low here and break these lows, and after that, market will push to the upside. If this will be falling before Trump gets into office, you will see Bitcoin pushing to the upside after that. Guys, is that clear? If you think that this is actually a good forecast, please make sure to share it on your Forex, on your actually social media platforms as a Forex forecast, and let actually people who are interested in this one watch and see. Remember, the more you like, the more you share, the more you like till the end, this will help YouTube algo actually to know that this video is important. Let me share it to more trade. This is how YouTube algo works, okay? So we are counting on you. Remember, we don't run any ads, by the way. It's all organic because we believe that if you like and share, this means this is the signal to us that, all right, now this video is important. Let's keep doing that. So your likes and comments are the supportive actually motive to us to keep pushing and keep being here with you on a weekly basis, all right? So for this one, again, I hope this is clear. Corrective structure, another push-up will be coming. US30 for this one, market is falling to the downside. It's just a pullback. Market giving us something like this until something actually extraordinary happened. So we are not expecting this to fall too much, just a pullback after the big upwave or after market continued to the upside for this one, okay? So that's actually, guys, pretty much it. Again, I showed you all the channels that we have added into Discord. Do not miss tomorrow's session on every Sunday. This is the weekly live session. Every Sunday at 12 p.m. UK time. Look at this one. Just to go back to this one. Weekly live session conducted by T. Every Sunday, we are covering all of this, by the way. Forex, stocks, crypto. Do not miss it. This will be the first thing you have to do. And after that, the monthly session that for this month, for January, I'll be actually conducted it next week. The details regarding the timing will be shared inside the Discord and on social media platforms. With that note, guys, I wish you a successful trading week. You trade with care, and you have any question to me, just leave a comment, and see all of you next Saturday. Thank you very much.